The SYMA X880 Mini Drone is a compact and exciting gadget for kids and adults alike, boasting a range of stunt functions such as 3D flip, Z-shape backward flight, circle fly, rotary ascent and landing, and frog jump flight. The drone's outer ring is adorned with a dazzling array of LED lights, adding visual flair and ensuring the drone is visible whether it's day or night. Despite its compact size, the SYMA X880 Mini Drone delivers endless joy to every flight, and its small size allows for effortless maneuverability even in tight spaces. Ease of use is a key feature of this drone, with a one-button takeoff and landing system, an altitude hold function for stable hovering, and a headless mode for stress-free direction control. A key priority of the SYMA X880 Mini Drone is safety, with a complete propeller protection cover to prevent injuries and a robust fuselage material that can handle multiple collisions. Additionally, it features a low battery alert to prevent loss. Beyond entertainment, the SYMA X880 Mini Drone is an ideal gift that enhances children's logic skills, hand-eye coordination, and creativity. It offers a great opportunity for parents to spend quality time with their kids.